How to fix GIFs not showing in Instagram comments. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and let's fix missing GIF option in Instagram comments. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to open Instagram application and go to the post and then tap on the comments. Now on the top of your keyboard, you should see the sticker icon. Simply select that. And at bottom right, you will see the GIF option. You can search for any GIF, for example, sad, and try sending it. If you do not find it, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If GIFs are not loading, you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This might be because of not updating Instagram to the latest version. If you are using Android, you need to open Play Store, otherwise open App Store on iOS. Search for Instagram update. If there is update button, tap update and update the app. If the issue did not resolve, you simply need to open Instagram. Then navigate to the profile icon at bottom right. Select the 3-bar menu icon at top right. Then you need to scroll to the bottom and select Help and then report a problem. Report problem without shaking and choose include and continue. And here you need to explain that, hello Instagram team, I'm unable to use GIFs in my comment section and please help me fix these issues. You can attach the screenshots of the missing GIF option, which is optional, and then submit it. Instagram usually fixes issues within 24 hours. So if none of this step work, you can log out and log back into Instagram or reinstall the app. That's it. Try this step and you should be able to use GIFs in Instagram comments again. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.